Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we're going to be discussing what is sales vision. All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So in this video we're going to go over what is Sales Vision Business Games. This is the website you get, the back office that is fully designed for you. I have logged into my actual login here, and as you can see, that is me there. Ryan Huggins, that is me. I am a diamond member with the company. My VIP rewards, these are all of the points I have accumulated. 58,028 points. Right now, Sherry is in first place with 331,000. So I'm trying to catch up to these people on the leaderboard. And I wanted to show you a couple of things inside the back office. We're going to start over here. The very first thing you can click on is the user dashboard, which is going to bring us here, which is where we are. Okay, just wanted to show you. You can click on that. It'll bring you here if you're anywhere in the system. Next up, you're going to see live events. You can register for a live event that we have coming up. You can watch a live event webinar, which that would be one of our live webinars we do quite frequently, explaining how things work. And also we give out tips and tricks and all of that good stuff. Everything is for free. You can upload your photo so that way your picture appears here. What's really cool is on the sales page that you will send out, or the sign up page for the free players that you will send out, your picture will actually be on the landing page, which is really cool. So let's talk about the free games that are in there right now. They are developing more games, but the first one here is Speedwealth 360. We're going to go ahead and just click on the button, and that brings us into the Speedwealth game. This is Speedwealth 360 level 1. As you can see, this check mark is checked and it's all in gold, because as you go through here and you accomplish each task, you will get points like this one. Open a $100 video challenge document. All you literally have to do is click this button and they give you 100 points, which is really cool. Down here, accept the challenge and upgrade to apprentice, which gives you 10,000 points. Now the upgrade of the membership, you can play the games for free. If you want to upgrade your membership to the next level, which I've already upgraded. I'm a diamond, so I've upgraded twice within the game. This would be number 1. There's another one and another one. Actually upgrade 3 times. But anyway, $7 a month. It gives you access to some more high quality games, just like these games are high quality, but it gives you access to more of them. And it also gives you access to the 100 video challenge, which is where if you make one video a day for 100 days in a row and you don't make a sale, then you will be receiving $100, which is cool. The next thing is share your Sales Vision link with your friends. So what's really cool is you literally just click this button here and you can see it's copied. Now you can go to all your social media, facebook.com, and simply go to your Facebook page. You post that there. It gives you the actual message to send. I'll even include it in my story, and we'll just click post. And boom, there it is. So now that share link goes back. If anyone clicks on this link here, it tracks back to me and I get credit for them. So that's how easy it is. You click a button and it actually copies it for you and you go paste it somewhere. Share your video on social media. So that is when it comes to your $100 100-day challenge, you'll be sharing your video on YouTube. Every video you make, you'll do that, and then also post it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, any of these that you have. If you don't have any of those, you can make one, or you don't have to post them on all of them. But you do have to post it on YouTube and Facebook, and that is going to be required for the challenge. Share your video in the comments below. So after you make a YouTube video, your YouTube video will give you a link. So let's go check out YouTube. YouTube generates you a special link. So go to my videos. And we'll go down here to my last video that I made. I just made one for fun here, but this is the last video I made for the challenge. And as you can see here, you click on the share button and you copy this link right here. And then when you copy your YouTube link, you'll go back to Sales Vision and you'll post it right down here where it says post a comment. You'll paste that in there. I've already posted mine for the day this morning. These are all the people in our group that are taking the 100-day challenge. As you can see, quite a few people. There's mine from this morning, and or actually, sorry, not this morning. That was yesterday at 8:55, so almost 24 hours ago. And you can see all these other people playing the challenge, they post them. What's really cool is when someone goes to your landing page, which is this page here, you'll see all of this at the bottom. This is similar to the landing page, all right? So after you've passed all these levels, or you don't want to do the 100-day challenge, you can just click next level and you go to level number 2. Level number 2, you're going to download the quick start guide. They gave you 770 points for that. When you download the quick start guide, it tells you everything you know or everything you need to know to play the game. So if you signed up to play the game and you were on my team, you could literally go to this document and then never talk to me again because you know exactly what to do. However, if you are on my team, I link arms with my teammates, so make sure you reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. On Instagram and YouTube, I'm Win with Ryan. And on Facebook, just Ryan Lee Huggins. All right, so that is the document there. So let's go back to the website and see what else we have to do to complete level 2. So you got to download that document, super simple. Download Share Your Attraction Magnet. So you'll download the images here. So the images actually right now they've made a shortcut in this document. So I'll go back to that document. And you simply go down here. It tells you this, right? Post digital magnets right here. You'll just click Sales Vision Photos. You'll open that up. And they give you these already curated, super top-notch quality graphics. And all you have to do is go in here and you select one. This one looks cool. I like that. You'll hit the button. And then you'll go over here to share. And you can, or actually, yeah. You'll go here and just download it to your computer or your phone, and then you can actually upload that. And they've already made the document for you. Look how cool this is. Looks like, I don't know, Dubai maybe? Never depend on single income. Make investments to create a second source. Pretty cool there, right? Multiple sources of income. Everyone rich will tell you that's important, and wealthy people. And then after you've actually uploaded that attraction magnet to your social media, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, you'll then post that same image down here. And as you can see, all the people passing the level just by simply posting their pictures. So that's really cool. And then boom, you will have accomplished level 2. So what do you do then? You click, guess what? You actually have completed Speed Wealth. 2 levels, that's it. And you get all of those points and you climb the leaderboard. We're going to go back here, Mindset 360. Mindset 360 is probably my favorite training. Asia really gets you set on being an entrepreneur, how to do it, why to do it. And in this one, you'll actually download the Mindset 360 PDF, which is this one here. And this will tell you step by step how to do everything. Like even if you don't have a YouTube channel, they teach you how to do a YouTube channel. You do not have to be internet savvy to be playing the games online. In fact, these games will teach you how to be internet savvy, and that's the beautiful part of the game. All right, cool. So after that, you'll go through all of these levels, which I have actually completed all 12 levels here, and you'll pass all those. And again, you're going to pick up points for every one of those you accomplish. We're going to go back to the dashboard. Next up, you'll have apprentice games. You'll have to upgrade to become an apprentice, like we said earlier. After that, you'll upgrade to professional, and after that, you'll upgrade to diamond like I've done. Now, you don't have to do any of that, but as you grow in the games, you'll more than likely want to. Affiliate Center, they actually give you all of your share links. You simply have to copy and paste these, and boom, you're going to get credit for anyone that goes to those links, and that's really cool there. Also show you here Back Manager. So this is where your leads will go. Mine have just signed up, so I don't have any leads right now. Marketplace, you can also shop within the game. And if you're a Diamond member, you can also sell your items in the game. And after that, settings, you'll just go through and you can set all your settings the way you want it. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to bring you a quick video of what is Sales Vision, how does Sales Vision work, why should I join? The great thing is if you're running a business now and you need leads, this game is free. The landing page is free. It's all high quality. It will simply bring leads to you, and then you can convert them to your business. Now, if you don't have an online business, you've never thought of having an online business, this is the easiest, most amazing opportunity for you to start a business, because when you start it, it costs nothing to start. When you start it, they literally teach you from very beginner, like if you've never even had a YouTube channel, and they set you up for success. Plus, if you join the game and you're working on my team, I will be working with you personally. Reach out to me as much as you need. I'm going to be so happy to answer your questions. So anyway, go ahead, go to my site, www.winwithryan.com, www.winwithryan.com. You're going to see this here. It's going to look just like this, and you're going to simply click to get sales online. And when you click that button, that's going to take you to the sign up page, and you'll sign up on my team, Ryan Huggins, and we will continue to crush the industry. Thank you so very much for listening to my video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. After you hit subscribe, make sure you turn the little bell on, and you want to select all, so that way you can see all my videos coming up and everything that I can teach you. Have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon or evening, depending on where you're at, or even morning possibly. Again, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, smash that like button. Talk to you later.